Picture this, a ship that has been sailing the world for over 2 decades, still turning heads at every port she visits. The Norwegian Dawn is one of those vessels that has quietly built a loyal following among cruisers who prefer character and comfort over flash and gimmicks. She belongs to Norwegian Cruise Line and continues to embody the freestyle cruising philosophy that made the brand famous. Cruisers who have sailed her often describe the Dawn as a ship with soul. She is not the newest or the biggest in the fleet, but she has a certain charm that keeps guests coming back voyage after voyage. Her mid-sized profile makes her easier to navigate than the mega ships that have taken over the industry. For anyone considering a cruise on this ship, the following review breaks down every aspect of the onboard experience. From staterooms to shore excursions, this is what guests can expect when they step aboard. It is a ship worth understanding before booking a ticket. The Norwegian Dawn offers the full spectrum of stateroom categories that most cruisers have come to expect from a modern ship. Guests can choose from interior cabins, ocean view rooms, balcony staterooms, and a variety of suites at the top end of the ladder. There is truly something to match every budget and every travel style on board. Interior cabins are the most affordable option and remain surprisingly comfortable for their size. They come with the essentials, including a private bathroom, ample storage, and comfortable bedding that has been refreshed in recent years. These rooms are perfect for solo travelers or couples who plan to spend most of their time exploring the ship and the ports. Ocean view staterooms step things up with a window that lets natural light pour in each morning. Watching the ocean roll by from bed is one of those simple pleasures that never gets old. These rooms are especially popular with first-time cruisers who want a taste of sea life without breaking the bank. Balcony staterooms are widely considered the sweet spot on the Dawn. Having a private outdoor space to enjoy morning coffee or a nightcap under the stars adds a whole new dimension to the cruise experience. The balconies are generously sized and typically come with 2 chairs and a small table. At the top of the pyramid, suites offer a genuinely luxurious experience. Suite guests enjoy more space, upgraded furnishings, and access to exclusive perks that make the sailing feel truly special. Butler service, priority boarding, and reserved seating at select venues are just a few of the benefits that come with the top-tier accommodations. Family cabins and connecting rooms are available for larger groups traveling together. These configurations make it easy for parents to keep an eye on the kids while still enjoying a bit of separation. Accessible cabins are also available for guests with mobility challenges, with wider doorways, roll-in showers, and grab bars where needed. When it comes to dining, the Norwegian Dawn embraces the freestyle approach that Norwegian Cruise Line pioneered years ago. That means no fixed dinner times, no assigned tables, and no formal dress codes forced upon guests. Diners can eat where they want, when they want, and with whom they want. The main dining rooms provide complimentary meals with rotating menus that change nightly. Expect a mix of classic favorites and more adventurous dishes designed to keep taste buds interested throughout the voyage. The service in these rooms is generally attentive without being overbearing. For guests who want a more casual meal, the buffet is open throughout the day. It covers everything from breakfast staples like eggs and pancakes to lunch salads, carving stations, and international dinner options. It is the go-to spot for a quick bite between activities or a late-night snack after the shows. Specialty restaurants take dining to another level for those willing to pay a cover charge or use a dining package. Steakhouses, Italian trattorias, and Asian-inspired venues all typically appear on ships of this class. The intimate atmosphere and elevated menus make these venues popular for celebrating special occasions like anniversaries or birthdays. Themed dinners occasionally pop up during the sailing, adding a sense of festivity to the evening. These events often feature themed decor, special menus, and even costumed staff to complete the experience. They are a fun way to break up the routine on longer voyages. The bar scene on the Dawn deserves its own mention. Multiple lounges and bars are scattered throughout the ship, each with its own personality. From lively sports bars to sophisticated wine lounges, guests can find the right spot for any mood. Cocktail programs are creative without being pretentious, and the bartenders often become familiar faces by the end of the trip. Beer, wine, and spirits packages are available for guests who plan to imbibe regularly. Non-drinkers will also find plenty of specialty coffees, smoothies, and mocktails on the menus. Moving outside, the pools and sun decks are the heart of daytime life on the Norwegian Dawn. The main pool area is where much of the action happens, with live music, deck parties, and plenty of loungers for soaking up the sun. It is the classic cruise scene that never really goes out of style. Whirlpools are positioned around the pool deck, offering warm, bubbly retreats with ocean views. They tend to be popular during sea days, so early birds have the best shot at snagging a spot. The bubbles combined with the sound of the waves create a truly relaxing atmosphere. Adults seeking a quieter escape can usually find a dedicated area away from the family crowds. These spaces tend to be less rowdy and offer a more peaceful setting for reading a book or enjoying a cocktail in the sun. It is a nice option for guests who want a break from the bustle of the main pool. Kids will love the splash zones designed specifically with them in mind. Water features, fountains, and shallow pools provide hours of entertainment for the younger set. Parents can relax nearby knowing their children are having a blast in a safe environment. Sun decks provide plenty of open space for those who just want to lounge with a cold drink in hand. The best spots fill up fast on sunny sea days, so an early wake-up call may be needed to claim a prime chair. Servers roam the decks taking drink orders throughout the day. When it comes to onboard activities, the Norwegian Dawn keeps guests entertained from morning until well past midnight. Sports enthusiasts will find courts and facilities scattered throughout the top decks. Basketball, jogging tracks, and other active options give guests plenty of ways to burn off those buffet calories. The fitness center is well equipped with modern cardio machines, free weights, and strength equipment. Floor-to-ceiling windows in most ship gyms create a memorable view while working out. Group fitness classes are offered daily for those who prefer a structured workout. Entertainment is a major highlight of any Norwegian sailing, and the Dawn is no exception. The main theater hosts production shows featuring singers, dancers, and live musicians throughout the voyage. These performances rival what guests might see in a good regional theater on land. Comedians, magicians, and variety acts fill the schedule on nights when the big productions are dark. There is truly something happening every evening, and the daily program keeps guests informed of what is coming up. Even the quieter guests tend to catch at least a few of the shows over the course of a cruise. Live music can be heard throughout the ship at various lounges each evening. From acoustic sets to full bands playing hits from every decade, the music scene keeps the ship humming with energy. Guests often find themselves lingering longer than planned when a great performer takes the stage. Cultural and educational programs give guests a chance to learn something new while at sea. Cooking demonstrations, art auctions, and enrichment lectures are common offerings on ships like the Dawn. These experiences add depth to the vacation beyond just eating and sunbathing. The casino is another popular gathering spot for guests looking to test their luck. Slot machines, table games, and poker rooms are all available for those who enjoy a bit of gambling. Even non-gamblers often stop by just to soak up the lively atmosphere. The spa and wellness experience on the Norwegian Dawn offers a proper retreat from the excitement of the rest of the ship. Guests can indulge in a variety of treatments ranging from classic massages to more specialized therapies. Skilled therapists know how to melt away the tension of everyday life. Facial treatments and body wraps are popular choices for guests looking to feel refreshed and pampered. The products used tend to be high quality, and the treatment rooms are designed to create a peaceful atmosphere. Booking early is recommended, especially for sea days when the spa fills up quickly. Sauna and steam rooms are typically included as part of the spa facilities. These are perfect for guests who want to unwind without splurging on a full treatment. A quiet session in the steam room after a long day of exploring can be truly restorative. Yoga classes and other mindfulness sessions are often on the schedule for guests who want to stay centered while on vacation. Morning yoga on deck with the sea breeze in the background is a memorable experience. Instructors cater to all levels, from complete beginners to seasoned practitioners. Fitness classes go beyond the standard cardio routines and cover everything from spin to Pilates. Some classes are complimentary while others carry a small fee. Either way, they provide a great way to stay active while enjoying the cruise. For families traveling with children, the Norwegian Dawn offers dedicated kids and teens clubs designed to keep young guests entertained. The programs are separated by age groups so that activities remain age-appropriate and engaging. Kids often make friends quickly and beg to return to the club every day. Younger children enjoy arts and crafts, games, and themed play sessions supervised by trained staff. Parents can enjoy some grown-up time knowing their little ones are in good hands. The staff members are typically enthusiastic and genuinely enjoy working with children. Tweens get their own space with activities suited to their more grown-up interests. Video games, sports competitions, and social events help them make friends their own age. Many kids come away from the cruise having made lasting friendships. Teens also have their own hangout with a mix of games, movies, and social gatherings. This is often where lifelong cruise buddies are made, as teens find themselves free to explore the ship in supervised groups. Late-night activities give teens something to do while parents enjoy the adult entertainment on offer. The ports of call visited by the Norwegian Dawn depend on the itinerary chosen, and the ship sails a wide variety of routes throughout the year. Caribbean cruises typically stop at sunny islands with white sand beaches and turquoise waters. Bermuda voyages are another popular option, with the pink sand beaches and colorful architecture that make the destination unforgettable. Shore excursions are offered at every port, giving guests the choice between organized tour and independent exploration. Snorkeling, catamaran sails, and beach breaks are common in tropical destinations. History buffs can find walking tour, museum visits, and cultural experiences at nearly every stop. Adventure seekers will find plenty of options too, from ziplining through jungles to swimming with dolphins. These experiences often become the highlight of the vacation and provide memories that last a lifetime. Booking through the ship offers convenience and the peace of mind that comes with a guaranteed return to the vessel. Food-focused excursions have become increasingly popular in recent years. These tours let guests sample local dishes, visit markets, and even take cooking classes with regional chefs. It is a fantastic way to experience the culture of each destination through its cuisine. For guests who prefer a relaxed day, simple beach excursions are always available. A day of sipping tropical drinks with toes in the sand is often exactly what a vacation calls for. Many ports also offer resort day passes that include beach access, food, and drinks. Overall, the Norwegian Dawn earns its place as a solid mid-sized cruise ship that delivers a well-rounded vacation experience. Her strengths lie in the freestyle atmosphere, the diverse dining scene, and the strong entertainment lineup that keeps guests engaged throughout the voyage. The ship has a personality that many larger vessels seem to lack these days. On the positive side, guests consistently praise the friendly crew, the flexible dining schedule, and the variety of activities on offer. The mid-sized nature of the ship means it can visit ports that the newer mega ships simply cannot reach. It also means smaller crowds and shorter waits than on the massive floating cities. On the flip side, the Dawn is not the newest ship on the seas, and some areas may feel a bit dated compared to the brand new vessels being launched today. Wi-Fi and internet packages, as with most cruise lines, remain expensive and sometimes unreliable. These are common complaints across the industry and not unique to this ship. Some guests have also noted that specialty restaurants can book up quickly, so reservations should be made early in the trip. Popular shows also tend to fill up, so arriving a bit early is recommended. Overall, these are minor gripes in the context of an otherwise enjoyable vacation. What makes the Norwegian Dawn stand out is her ability to balance comfort with adventure. She is large enough to offer a full range of amenities but small enough to feel personable and easy to navigate. Guests will not spend half their vacation walking from one end of the ship to the other. The freestyle cruising concept is another major selling point. The freedom to eat, dress, and schedule the day as guests wish removes much of the rigid formality that used to define cruising. It appeals to modern travelers who value flexibility above all else. The ship also brings a level of character that newer vessels can lack. Artwork, decor, and design choices give the Dawn a distinct identity that longtime cruisers appreciate. She feels like a real ship with history rather than a plastic resort that just happens to float. Her itineraries are another strong point, often reaching destinations that larger ships cannot access. This opens up unique travel opportunities for guests who want to see something different. Bermuda, in particular, is a route where the Dawn has built a strong reputation. For guests planning special events, the Norwegian Dawn offers meeting spaces and event facilities that can accommodate a variety of gatherings. Corporate groups, family reunions, and celebration cruises all find suitable venues on board. Wedding ceremonies can even be arranged for couples looking for a memorable setting to tie the knot. Onboard staff work closely with event planners to ensure that every detail is handled with care. Group dining, private cocktail parties, and themed events can all be arranged with a bit of advanced planning. The mid-sized ship offers enough space to host these events without disrupting the general cruise experience. Beyond the amenities and activities, it is the guest experience that ultimately defines the Norwegian Dawn. Longtime cruisers often speak about the small moments that make the trip memorable. A cabin steward who remembers a guest's coffee order or a bartender who greets returning guests by name can turn a good vacation into a great one. The crew on the Dawn has a reputation for going above and beyond to make guests feel welcome. From the moment of boarding to the final farewell, service is delivered with genuine warmth. This human touch is something no amount of new technology can replicate. Little surprises throughout the cruise add up to a truly memorable experience. Towel animals waiting on the bed, personalized notes from the staff, and unexpected gestures of hospitality all create moments guests will talk about for years. It is these details that turn first-time cruisers into loyal Norwegian fans. Sunset moments on deck, star-filled nights on the balcony, and shared laughs at the comedy shows all contribute to the magic of a cruise on the Dawn. She may not be the flashiest ship afloat, but she offers something arguably more valuable: a genuine, memorable vacation experience that stays with guests long after they disembark. For anyone considering a voyage on the Norwegian Dawn, the ship promises a well-rounded cruise that punches above its weight in all the ways that truly matter.